up, muscle car people? This is Brand Muscle Cars, and I'm Matt. Me and Tia, we made it to Myrtle Beach Mustang Week. We drove, in case you're new to the channel, we drove my new 2020. That's a Mustang on donks. That's a donk Mustang right there. That's pretty neat. All right, so we drove my 2020 Mustang GT. Had it for about 3 weeks. It does have a Whipple supercharger on it. Stage 2. I got the car from Lebanon Ford, so it's one of their cars. We wrapped it. It's got BMR Jacking Rails. That's my favorite mod. I can't help it. So it has a resonator, delete, Pypes H pipe put in there. Check out the videos on those 2 installs. But I also, in case you're new to the channel, also have over 1,000 horsepower Shelby GT500, which I race. Here's a little clip of the car. Try to go to as many meets as possible, meet as many people. The best part about Mustang Week is making new friends. I got to see one of my good friends yesterday that I met at Mustang Week 3 years ago, so we still talk all the time. It's awesome seeing guys that you meet here and you stay in contact with. So I hope you like this video. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any of the Mustang Week content, any of the GT content. And if you're like us and you got a fast car, you better bring it. Thanks for watching. All right guys, thanks for watching this video. I'm gonna link a couple more videos that if you like this one and you made it all the way to the end, you're gonna definitely like these. So watch them. Also, that middle button right there, I think is probably, you know, somewhere in there. Hit that button to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more action.